guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tiffany for those of you who are new, so welcome. Today I wanted to film a skincare routine video for you guys, like my updated skincare routine. I think it's been maybe a year or more, or maybe not quite, since I filmed my last one, but my products have completely changed and I'm so glad they have, because when I tell you my skin has never been this clear, I mean it. I literally get like one breakout and it's finally going away. So I know right now I have my makeup on. I did it to film, well, to take a cute thumbnail so I don't look just like beady-eyed and everything at you guys. But yeah, so I'm going to take you through all the steps. So right now, first I'm going to start by taking off my lashes. That's what I like to do first. Sometimes it hurts if I get them glued really well on there. So I like to always peel the glue off before I go in to do the next step, just because sometimes I can get just things on my hand like I kind of did right now, from the glue and the lash and mascara and all that stuff. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll put them back in their box, or else in my little lash tray if they're just ones that I use every day. And I know I'm going to, and I got rid of the box. So these, my Ardell, are the Ardell Mega Volume in Style 250. So I know I'm going to use them all the time. So I literally just peel the glue from this because it makes them last longer and it doesn't get like all this weird buildup. I mean, sometimes it happens and you can't get them off, which is fine. I'll still reuse them all the time. I try to make them last like 20 wears, but seriously. So these ones came like completely clean, which I've only worn them like 3 times. So they usually do until about like the 10th wear. So like I said, I'm going to set those over there. Next, I like to go in and use some makeup wipes. I'm someone who likes to double cleanse. So I'm going to go in and use this. Just wipe everything down. It usually does a really good job at getting off all my makeup. So that's why I really like to use these. I also do use the LIKEtoKNOWit brand. I really don't have a preference. I just need a makeup wipe. The only ones I really don't like are like the Aveeno or Olay ones. Something with like a lotion or a scent, I don't really like those. They just smell like a clean makeup wipe, so that's why I prefer to use these. But now that I have everything off, you can see my skin. I know I have like a lot of freckles right now, especially right now because I've been tanning. So you're probably gonna see mostly freckles, but I really don't have any breakouts. I have some like past ones that left a little bit of scarring, but it's healing. So there's that, but I don't have any like current breakouts that I'm seeing. Maybe this right here, but it's kind of been there. I just finished that time of the month, so it happens. Then I'm gonna have Chris help me film up in my bathroom to show you guys the rest of the steps that I've been doing. And then I also wash my brushes when I go wash my face. I do wash my brushes and sponge every night. I don't wash my bronzer and contour brush every night just because I know I don't really change that up as much. But the other stuff I do wash just because I don't want any bacteria, and ever since I've just noticed a big change in my skin. So if you're someone and you have a good skincare routine and you don't know what it is, you might make sure that you're washing your brushes. I'd say at least like 2 to 3 times a week. Maybe like every day is excessive, but I changed up my colors and I have brushes that I like to use and some that I need to have, so it is what it is. So now that everything is wiped down, we're going to go upstairs and do the rest of our skincare routine. Alright, so I got everything set out that I like to use. So I do use a Clarisonic. This is the Mia 2. So it has 2 settings. I did already wet it just because I said I like to get everything ready. I have my cotton rounds out. These are just a brand from Walgreens. You can get them at Ulta, Walmart, wherever. And then I have been using and loving the Tula skincare set. This is the Discovery set. So in it, I have everything laid out. And then you also do get a little bonus moisturizer, which is kind of cute and nice, but this does last me about 2 to 3 months, and I know the full-size products are a big investment, so I've been using this twice just to make sure my skin loves it, and it does. So I've been using this about 3 to 4-ish months now. So what I'm going to start with is the Tula Purifying Face Cleanser. This is a really great cleanser. I really love it. I'm going to have to buy another of these sets or else get the full size of everything soon. And then after I wash my face, I will go in, put this. This is the Pro Glycolic 10% pH Resurfacing Gel. I will put this on a cotton round and put it all over my face. And I am generous with this because the first month I wasn't, and I ended up having extra. So now I'm generous. And then after that, I'll go in and put the Illuminating Face Serum on with my hands, and it feels just so great. I really recommend everyone use a serum. I really like this one. And then lastly, I'll go in with the Hydrating Day and Night Cream. Sometimes if I have really dry skin, I will go in with the Dewy Cell Cica Plus Balm. This is just great if you have like dry spots or something, plus it smells really great. So if I get like really dry under eyes in the summer and winter, I will use this. But right now my skin's been feeling really great and balanced, which it could be because of this product. I've also been using the Halo Beauty Kiwi Seed Booster Pills. I have almost completed 1 month. I have 3 days left of this bottle, and then I have another bottle that I already had. But after about a week, my problem spot down here, my chin, started to really clear up, and same with my texture of my face. So honestly, I think it is this. I have also been working out and drinking more water, but I will say I think this has like balanced me out because I don't already take a daily vitamin and things like that. I take supplements for like working out and things like that I mentioned in my vlog a couple days ago. So yeah, now that I've shared everything with you guys, I'm going to go ahead and do everything, and I'll let you know what I'm doing as I do it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go in and do wash my face now for the second time. So I'm going to put the face cleanser just a little bit on my Clarisonic. I really only do like a pea-sized amount. So first though, I am going to wet my face with some warm water. And now I'm going to go in and do my face. I like to let it go at least for 30 to 60 seconds. I know a lot of products take like about a minute to actually work. So usually I use this for about, 30, 40 seconds, and then I'll let it just sit on my skin and then rinse it. So usually while I let it sit the rest of the time, I will rinse out my Clarisonic just so I can get it ready to go back down and sit on the charger. So I think it's been a good amount of time. I'm going to go ahead and rinse everything, and we'll move on to the rest of it. So sometimes I get liner stuck in my eyes, so I will just take like a wet Q-tip and kind of get in there to get it out, because otherwise it irritates my eyes. I saw that. And then I also blow my nose just because I don't want to wipe off any of the product that I'm about to use. So I'm going to do that, and I'll show you guys everything else that I do. Alright, so next I'm going to go in and use the Pro Glycolic 10% pH Resurfacing Gel that I mentioned a little bit ago. So I'm going to take a cotton round, squirt some out, and then go over one cheek. I just like to make sure I saturate my entire face. And then other side. Now I'll take it over my eyes just to make sure I got everything. And then I'll take another one or the back of that one and do my forehead and the center of my face. Alright, so we're done with that. My face feels just smooth out. It's a little tacky, but it's great. I really like that stuff. And then the next step is the illuminating face serum. It's like a little lotion basically, but it's a serum. So I do 2 pumps, just that much, and it'll do your entire face. And I just rub it on. And probably don't do it all gentle like people are supposed to, but I don't know what person actually does that. Alright, so there's that, and then I like to wash my hands. Alright, and then after that I go in with the hydrating day and night cream. It's actually super hydrating, but it's thin, which is nice. I use a decent amount, and then just put it all over my face. And then again, I'll wash my hands. Alright, so that is everything for my skincare routine. The only other product that I did not show you guys was the Tula Cooling Eye Balm thing. It's like a little stick. It's like $28. It's super great. You can use it under makeup or just at night. I usually like to use it at night or in the morning after the gym. If I'm feeling a little puffy, I'll put it on. You just like rub it on and it just feels so cooling and great. It's a great product. I really like these Tula products that I've discovered lately. I think they're really great. I know it can be pricey, but I do recommend trying out the Discovery Kits. That's what I've been using. I haven't fully committed and bought the full-size products. It's not that I don't want to, it's that I can't afford to right now. The first product I'll get is probably the face wash, just because I go through face wash since I wear so much makeup and stuff like that. But yeah, eventually I'll get that. But for now, I'm just going to keep using this because, like I said, I can make it last 2 to 3 months. I know it's just like a month Discovery Kit, but I can make it last. I'm sure you guys can too. So I'll have this link down below, as well as the full-size products and everything else that I mentioned, including the Cica cream that I use, my Clarisonic, all that stuff. I do make a small commission if you guys use that, so if you do, I greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. Obviously, I don't have to, but if you want to support me and my channel, it would mean the world to me. So yeah, be sure and subscribe to my channel before you guys leave. Let me know what you guys want to see next. I really want to film a wear test and review over the new It Cosmetics foundation. I've been testing it out for the last couple of days. So if you want to hear my thoughts, just let me know and I can film that as well. I've been wearing it, so I kind of have an idea of how I feel about it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!